how you feel.
Girl, I'm amazed by the things you do, every word that you say. Yeah, every single move you make. And I'm amazed that you don't see beauty in yourself. Oh, yeah. Wanna ask you out, wanna know everything about your life,
About you,
and what you like, and I wanna tell you about everything that makes you stand out, and tell the world that you're I'm amazed by the love you put in everything that you do, and every single chance you take. Still, I'm amazed by the fact that you ain't showing no love, no, to yourself. Don't you see your smile and the way it shines? It moves me so, it's hard to control.
You mean to me, think about you, words flow easily. When you cry, your tears be hurting me, but when you smile, it just works for me. You got a job and you work like a boss. Ain't no wonder sometimes you feel lost, but you're so amazing. The way you handle me keeps this blazing. Love, you already know you're my queen, and I can't get enough of what you have in between. You two ears, meaning your mind, cause I've done seen that shape before, I ain't blind. Besides that, you make me complete, and I feel like tagging your name like rap in the street. Amazing, one word, one truth. Juno, step up and take over the booth.